sleep. I was tired. I wanted to sleep, but I couldn't sleep. I
Yeah.
woke. Okay, so I slept in finally. I did 2 hours and finally I woke up even more tired. Hey,
Yakubizwa ipolo ngapha yakubizwa stands. Ukubamba umgwaqo.
Vince. Phela yazini kumnandi mfethu ukutanta ebusuku. Kumnandi ukuhamba ebusuku.
Yeah, ne?
Uhambe nesekeni mfethu kumnandi.
Maro grand man.
Kumnandi wena.
Skipper ngizofika eThekwini next week like 100% confirmed. 100, not even 100%, 150% confirmed. I'm coming to Delhi.
Ayikhali.
Mina ngiyekhaya eDurban eStang. Angithi uyazi iStang.
Oh yeah. Seduze.
Yeah, mina ngiyekhaya eStang. Mangiphuma eStang emayikhaya, ekhaya libe-serious,
Ayikhali.
ngiyalenda. Ngiyalenda. Ibhose ilalenda. But the last time I went to Durban was like last year, September. That's the last time I went to Durban, yeah.
Almost a year. Hey boy, it has been a year.
Yeah, it's been a year. So last day September, that's when I went to Durban.
Kamali, we'll send, dog.
Let's add Kamali. Let's add Kamali. Kamali is my big boss. Must follow Kamali.
Hey, that guy pushed, dog. Did you see he made like...
Kamali was taught again to in Cape Town last year. Kamali.
Hey, Jens.
How's the big boss?
I'm good, boss. How are you?
Kamali, tell them about our class last year in Cape Town. Tell Bandile about our class last year in Cape Town. The time we told you.
That's too much, boss. That's too much.
Kamali, tell them that we told you last year. What are you doing now? Kamali.
It's too much, boss. That's skill. I'm thankful, my bro. I'm thankful, Jens.
Kamali, remember what I told you? Remember the time we spoke earlier on before you bought the golf seats? Remember you spoke? He spoke. And I said to you, watch what's going to happen this year. I said to you, watch what's going to happen. Kamali is driving a golf seat. Hey, but the Kamali, bro. Shout out to you.
Yeah, Jens. Me, I'm forever grateful, Jens. No jokes. You went to Melo? Too much.
So I saw the time we told you
Gives next week.
Make it. I saw that day, you're full of like you're full of life, you're full of energy, like you're full of success, man. You know.
Thank you, Jens.
Hey, and his trading is big.
Kamali is killing it big time, yeah.
Thank you, Jens.
Hey, Bandile.
Yes.
Kamali, let me
sure.
Hey, Kamali.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, glitching a bit, but yeah.
Okay, just hold on. Let me go to a place of network, man. Just hold on.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, I can hear both of you guys. Both of you are fine.
Let's wait for Kamali. He's busy with something.
Yeah.
I'm not the band.
I'm not even.
My dog, as long as it's good, my boy.
On the charts, man.
Yeah, boy. Can you guys hear me?
Hey, Kamali.
Yeah.
Are you hosting us this weekend? Me and Tumala coming to Namibia this coming weekend. We are coming to Namibia. Are you hosting us?
Yeah, no, but the thing is, I'm not in Namibia. I'm in Cape Town.
When are you going to Namibia?
I must check now because I started to school now, so I must check. If I'm not writing exams, I'll pull through, man. Then I can fly down. Me and Simon.
Kamali, come down for the weekend. You can trust Namibia. Me and Tumala going to Namibia this coming weekend.
How many hours is the drive from Namibia to Cape Town?
Say 12 hours. Normally I drive at 4 a.m. and 8 in the afternoon. I'm in Namibia.
From 8 in the afternoon.
From Joburg
it's the same distance from Cape Town to Joburg, man.
Yeah, from Joburg, me and Tumala gonna drive 14 hours. From Joburg to Namibia, you're gonna drive 14 hours.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, are you driving down?
Yeah, we are driving. That's gonna be lit.
That road,
stay tuned.
That road is clean.
Yeah, stay tuned. Me and Tumala are driving to Namibia this coming weekend. We are going to Namibia. Kamali, come through, man.
Yeah, no. If I'm not writing, I'm gonna find out everything tomorrow. Man, I'm speaking to Tumelo. If I'm not writing, I will both come through. Another problem.
Yeah, check for us. Make sure you're not writing. Then come to Namibia so you can show us like the places, like Ochuarongo and like Ventu and
Not a
Post them.
problem. I don't mind. Not a problem.
Bandile must also come with us. Mar doesn't want to come to Joburg. Bandile Marman.
Where is Bandile? Isn't Bandile in Joburg?
He's in Devon, but he's not driving fast to Devon.
Bandile is in a stance life. That polo is
Bandile.
fucking low.
Hey, Bandile.
Man, Phuket flight.
Bandile.
Sure.
Why don't we fly to Joburg, then we'll drive together to Namibia?
Just buy numbers. Just buy numbers. Now,
Working.
Yeah.
Pro push work. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ish.
Hey, one
We
day
just
when
exams.
I spoke to Gift. I still need to speak to you, Kamali, but yeah, trust.
Now we must do it, man.
Yeah,
Not a
because
problem.
this weekend, we're driving to Namibia this weekend. We are driving to Namibia. If you are on this live and you are in Namibia, make sure you book your seats you can book your seats through me, you can book your seats through Tumelo. This weekend, we are turning Namibia up, man. Kamala,
Around. That is my candidate. He must go. He must go show them flames. Whoever is on here, I'm telling you, you can't miss it.
12-hour drive. A lot.
Yeah, we want to drive.
But it's quick, man. It depends how you guys are driving. If you guys are driving fast, it's quick, man. Very quick.
How quick can you cut it?
Maybe
What? 8 hours.
For 1 minute.
When I came from Cape Town, I drove at 8 o'clock in the evening hours. So, but I was driving fast, man, like 200, 240, like around the road is straight, man. Yeah, man. But the only thing is, you must just be careful, man. Like when you go on the other side for tickets. Yeah, but I don't get tickets, most. I don't get tickets here because my number plate is not registered here. Yeah, so I just drive like I want.
Hey, what do you think?
You don't put number plate in front. You just drive. No number plate in front.
Like Bandile's number plates are always off.
Bandile's always caught by cops everywhere. Balito, Mshanga.
Someone is bewitching me and my friends. Yo,
but you shouldn't put
twice in
number
a
plate
day, every day.
They don't play. As soon as they see number plates, the moment you have the number plates off, it's a target, every target.
You know what we must do?
Why?
Bandile and Kamani. After this live, I'm gonna send you like a proposition. You should do something, for Forex, like me, you, Tumelo, like but we talk of the I'm gonna create a group, and after then you can like talk proper stuff. Yeah. Kamali included. Proper stuff, man, proper stuff.
I'm in it 100 gens. I'm in it.
Kamali made it, man. I'm proud of you, man. It was just last year November we were together.
Yes, last year November, bro.
Yeah, November. Last year November, while we were in Cape Town.
What was your reaction when you put the gold 6?
Kamali, shout out to you. Shout out to you.
What was your reaction?
Sure.
What was your reaction?
Of what?
When you put the gold 6?
I knew it was gonna happen. I knew it because of seeing that determination, focus. I knew Kamali because of me and Kamali used to wake up in the morning around like 2-3.
Yeah.
Kamali used to give signals in my group, set up signals. We used to speak about these things. So I can see this person knows the market, he knows the market. So obviously when he was gonna buy a car, like before buying a car, he was making money already because of money. The startups he sent me, Kamal used to send me get up in the morning like money, nothing was gonna buy it. When I wake up, nothing is far up,
Bro, also make that
far up.
I just gotta get
sniped. God is coming through, man.
So whoever is on this live video right now, make sure you do after this live, make sure you do follow Kamali PTYLT after this live. All of you here,
Thank God.
Yeah, 151 of you who was here. Make sure you go and follow Kamali right now.
Kamali, you must bring your post back.
If you're in Cape Town, make sure you get the.
I'll do so.
Bandile, next week I'm coming to Debe and the Bandile. Kamali, tell Bandile to treat me sharp when I'm in Debe next week. I'm coming to Debe.
Got you in the building.
Hey, it looks like the guys. Hey, she look like it's Deben safe. Hey, it looks like the guys are hijacking everything.
Hey, bro. You need to move smart. You know,
1 minute.
you need to move smart, and then you'll be fine.
Yeah, always, man, bro. Hey, even in Cape Town. Hey, the guys. The first weekend I bought my car, the guys stole my tires just at home.
I remember. The time
Yes.
I remember.
Was that a setup or what?
I don't know. I think so, man, because it's guys that know us, man. But me and Simon tried looking for the guys till today.
People from Cape Flats.
Yeah, Cape Flats, yeah. Elita Kuta. Hey, Bandile, this girl has a huge crush on you.
Which one?
Elita. Is one of my friends. Yeah, Ed, Elita Kuta, Ed.
Hey, gifts adding fire. Hey. You're the host.
Ed, let me see. Let me try.
He's making Kamali is too much.
I can't edit. How do I edit?
Elita, her name is Elita _ Kuta.
Okay, let me try and edit Elita. Reveal yourself too. Don't be.
Elita request. This is your chance now.
Yeah.
Does she have a money?
Porridge and
request.
she must request.
Yeah, Kamali, you must bring back your everything. All of them, bring them back.
Yeah, now I'll do so, man. I'll do so, brother.
Bring them back. Sure.
Do the prank thing, my boy. I know you're good at it. Do the prank thing. I know. Do the prank thing.
I was trending, guys.
Yeah?
I was trending for that prank thing.
Wait.
2 weeks back. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Some broke, petty girl on WhatsApp was like, hi, Bandile is taking advantage of kids with no money. Hi, bro.
Future mesh, dango, future mesh.
You know. Crazy.
Yeah.
Bandile, do the prank thing. I don't know if do the prank thing, Bandile. Let's start it.
Wait, saying hi to Bandile, man. Just mention my name. Team one. Yeah. The prank thing. You see the prank thing is booming on a weekend. You see, Friday nights, I used to get like 600 of my live videos. Imagine. Hey, that thing is too much.
I checked the one where the one boy went to go through, I think his mother with water. This is too much.
Bro, they do anything for cash, bro. Yo. But it's good entertainment.
For cash. Dog, these people are putting waters on their parents while asleep. These people are sleeping.
Water with washing powder, not just water.
Yeah?
Water with washing powder.
Washing powder.
Hey.
That's too much. I think Bandile, there's a guy there, the plug G, since he's trying to get the hold of your mentorship.
Yeah, this weekend I wasn't responding to messages. I'll respond to them tonight.
Yeah.
Gift, do you have a PA? Huh?
I don't think he can do.
Yeah. Kamali, do you have a PA?
No, they don't.
You do everything yourself?
All by myself, my bro.
Let's see. Yeah, do you have a PA?
My PA is my wife. She does everything for me. Yeah.
Oh, I see. I do everything, but you see me, I allocate times. I'll be like, okay, from midnight to 1 a.m. I'm answering everything. And then during the day, yeah. How do you manage it?
Hey, me when I'm back, if it's during the week, it's either when I'm back from campus and then I push it, or even when I'm there. But I don't really have a time slot, man. Whenever I have time, I push.
Yeah, you must have a time slot. You know, see.
Yeah, I think I must push for that, man. Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
And hey, gents, thank you for having me here. Hey, I have campus tomorrow. I need to go sleep now.
Look at me. I was
12.
drunk. Now I'm eating a pie. It's in the evening.
Kamali, all the best.
Yeah, thank you, gents, man. You have a blessed evening.
Shout out Kamal. Shout out to you, my bro. And everyone follow Kamal.
Sharp, sharp.
The bet in Cape Town. Shut up, bro.
Dango, James. Dango. Have a blessed evening.
Shout out.
Sharp,
Sharp.
Give the accept request there.
Who should you accept?
Accept requests.
Who should we take? Bet Forex.
Anyone.
Bet Forex.
My eye is burning.
Let's take Bet Forex and see who's participating on Chitara.
I mean, I feel like being entertained. Let's see.
I also want entertainment now.
Yeah, plus I'm looking at the charts. I'm waiting for my setups to play out, and then yeah. Yeah, Mange. Always on the charts. Always.
I know,
Just waiting for my setups to play out. Hey, bro. Ish. No, gotta push.
I'm doing fun, I'm telling you. This guy is not accepting, eh? Let's take someone. If you wanna go live fast,
Let me see if it's someone I know here.
Okay. Yeah. Accept someone. If you wanna go live fast, accept. Send a request.
Bandile, you're in tertiary or high school? None. Nothing. I'm at home. What you someone is on.